Group 2 will be Adair and Barra. Group 3 is Kappa and me. Mages, you guys are all back up. Move to triangle. Bust.
Hurl yourselves into your own demise.
North starting in 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blade
It's up now.
Riptide.
Fucking name.
Beneath my
Riptide.
molten fury.
Riptide.
Alright. We're ready. This is group 2. This is Adair and then Barra.
Riptide.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Alright, we're gonna need a backup.
Riptide.
Vidi, can you back this up for Barra? Barra, just step out. Barra, step out.
Yeah, step back there.
Vidi, go in now. Just take over now.
Yeah, I'm
Riptide.
Thank you, Vidi.
Riptide.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Blade soon.
Alright, Vidi, move away.
Riptide. Clear.
Okay. Group 3, Kappa, you're first.
Cliff will need a backup on next one.
No, I'm second. We're good.
Riptide.
My people with Tormented, just make sure you guys aren't off in Narnia, taking over.
Starting 3, 2, 1. Back on North.
Riptide.
And as soon as your debuff falls off, make sure you're back in the group so we're not spawning miserable crystals for everyone.
Fatality!
Riptide.
Fatality!
Okay. Back to group 1.
Riptide.
Oh, the crystal's in the back, very back. You see it? Clear room for it.
5.
That's you, Cliff.
Also's got it first.
I need a backup.
Oh, sorry, you need backup. Okay.
Blade soon.
Alright, so also you got that first.
Riptide.
Silas.
Down there.
Sounding?
Riptide.
For crystal to one.
You need a backup for crystal too? Okay, David, that's gonna be you.
Riptide.
Is that the next crystal or the one
Group
starting in
2,
that
number
first.
1, yeah.
North starting 3, 2,
Riptide.
1.
Okay. Remember, when your torment comes off, come back to the group.
Riptide.
I will start this one. It's on top of me. Everyone move.
Okay. So David's starting. Barra's gonna be second.
Riptide.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Blade soon.
Oh, you need to come to me. I'm soaking right now.
You have Torment.
We're gonna die. Someone has to take it. Someone has to take it. Someone has to take it.
Okay, Vinny's
Riptide.
got. He's gone.
Next group, Kappa's first.
Riptide.
Get Barra up, please.
Riptide. Riptide.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blade soon. Riptide.
We're going back to group 1, Cliff first. Remember, if your torment is cleared, make sure you are back with the raid group on triangle.
Leave Manaheim when you're out of that, please.
Could you do me a small
Riptide.
favor? Just scoot back like one step. Yeah, just give him a little. So also you're taking over Cliff at 13.
Riptide.
Adair, you're good on yours? Yep. Okay, so Adair, you're still good. Barra, you're good too. This will be Adair and then Barra. It's all the way to the left. We see it?
You got it, Bear? I'll take it.
Barra's got it. Okay.
Riptide.
Give it a second.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Blade soon.
You can lead out, Bear. I can take it.
Riptide.
Group 3 will still be Kappa and then me.
Riptide.
Starting 3, 2,
Riptide.
1. Back on North.
Alright. To the left, we're good. Kappa, you're there. Perfect. Boss is dead, even better.
Banner.
Good job. It was a little funky in the beginning there, but you guys did great. Cliff, I apologize. I